Lionshead Metals is a contract manufacturer specializing in fabrication, machining, and stampings. The industries we serve are automotive, RV, appliance, medical, and general industries. We had two press companies that we felt were both very strong in the industry, and when it came down to it, always the deciding factor is going to be service. And as we toured the customers that they took us and talked to them about how was the service, there was a lot of raving reviews about SEYI, and that's the direction we went. So our biggest challenges we face is limited workforce. There's just not as many people, especially skilled, and then the competitiveness of our customers. The SDE4-1760 is one of North America's largest servo presses. It is a highly specialized machine that gives us the freedom to handle extreme complex jobs. The key feature, and ultimately why we purchased the machine, is the programmable stroke. It allows us to customize every aspect of the stroke, from how fast it's going to the direction it is moving. When other presses go up and down in one continuous motion, our press is tailored to the specific die in the press. The 1760 is a single press that allows us to run everything through that press that normally would be run through multiple presses. It gives us more versatility, so when we're estimating jobs, we can be a little more aggressive, and it gives us a competitive advantage that we normally wouldn't have had. Previously, these parts were being run at about 1,500 parts per shift. We're currently, through the SEYI press, running 5,000 parts, and we haven't even begun to hit, we should double that. Our experience with SEYI has been excellent. I have a very good relationship with the sales team and working through projects. They call and check on me, see how things are going, and the service techs has been outstanding. My maintenance team can call their service techs just to ask a question, and they get right back with us. With using SEYI, I felt like they've done a very good job at taking care of our needs and being a true partner. So if you're someone that's looking to improve your operations, give SEYI a call.